Okay, from our previous class, we have discussed about the multiplication law of indices and division law of indices. Now, I want to discuss about zero and negative powers. Zero and negative powers. We said here, when any number or quantity is raised to power zero, the result is 1. When any number at all, anything is raised to power 0, the answer is 1. For example, now when you have 50 raised to the power of 0, the answer is 1. Okay? 200 raised to the power of 0, the answer is 1. Lucky raised to the power of 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. Okay? Now we have, for example, like what I've explained here before, 5 raised to the power of 0 here is 1. 1 raised to the power of 0 here is 1. And we have example 1. Let's say we should simplify the following. We have s raised to the power of 3 divided by s raised to the power of 3. And we have s raised to the power of 2 divided by s raised to the power of what? 5. But before I continue with the solving, there are some laws we have discussed about raised to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Let's discuss about the raised to the power of negative here. When you have in mathematics or in indices, when you have 5 raised to the power of minus 1, have it in mind, it is the same thing with this raised to the power of minus negative power here is 1 over 5 raised to the power of 1. Let me explain it again. When you have something again like this, 5 raised to the power of minus 2, it is the same thing with 1 over this raised to the power of negative is 1 over 5 raised to the power of 2. Okay, last example here, we have maybe 10 raised to the power of minus 3. It is the same thing with 1 over 10 raised to the power of 3. Hope you understand this explanation. So I've explained this. When you have raised to the power of 0, will give us 1. When you have raised to the power of negative here, I explain it here, I have something like this. So before we solve the two equations we have before us here, I'll start from the I'll use two methods to solve them. We'll have method 1, 3 s raised to the power of 3 divided by s raised to the power of 3. As usual, we all know this is the same thing with s raised to the power of 3 divided by s raised to the power of 3. So it's the same thing with s times s times s over s times s times s. So what to cancel out? S cancel out s, we have 1 here. S cancel s, we have 1. S cancel s cancel s, we have 1. 1 times 1 times 1 will give us 1. So we have 1. 1 times 1 times 1 will give us 1. 1 divided by 1 will give us what? Our answer is what? 1. Now, if you don't understand this method 2 under this method 2, we'll have s raised to the power of 3 divided by s raised to the power of 3. From our previous class, we all know that they have equal base. And when they have equal base, you pick one of the base. So have s. Now, because here is division, you change to minus sign. 3 minus what? 3 minus 3. So our answer here will give us 3 minus 3 give us s raised to the power of what? 0. Now, there is a little issue here for some of us who don't understand mathematics very well. If you want the answer here in this method 2, we have s raised to the power of 0. But in this method 1, we have as our answer as 1. Is the two answer correct? Yes, they are both correct because here is 1 and we said that anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. So our final answer here is what? 1. So it's correct. Thank you. The number 2, which is II, using method 1 to solve, we have s raised to the power of 2 divided by what? S raised to the power of what? 5. You see how right to change it like this, s raised to the power of 2 over s raised to the power of 5. Now if you open the s, you have s times what? S over, how many times s appear here? 5 good times. You have s times s times s times s times s. 1 2 3 4 5. This will cancel this will cancel this. You have 1 1 here. You have 1 1. So from here, 1 times 1 will give us what? 1 over 1 times 1 times s times s times s will give us s raised to the power of what? 3. So this is our final answer here, method 1. But if you don't like this method, you can also use the other method, method 2, to solve the same question. We have s raised to the power of 2 divided by s raised to the power of 5. Now, if you watch this question, they have equal base. S is their base. Pick one of the base. We have s. This is divide. Division sign will change to what? Subtraction. So we have 2 minus 5. So our final answer here will give us here s raised to the power of 2 minus 5 will give us minus 3. Now, this is our final answer. You have the right to read the answer like this. But watch the two answer. He has given us 1 over s raised to the power of 3 as our final answer. He has given us s raised to the power of what? Raised to the power of minus 3. Remember that from my first explanation, when we started solving this, when you have something like this, it's the same thing with 1 over this raised to the power of minus s raised to the power of 3. The same thing. So either I leave the answer like this or this is the same thing. Have you watched it? Observe the two answer, the same thing. Thank you for watching.